Start by choosing a blank desktop database and save this to your data handling folder with the name of Suspects. Click on the Create button to create a blank database. This database has one empty table. We are going to import data from our Suspects file. Click on Table 1, right-click, and choose Import from Text File. You will need to browse to find the text file, which is a comma-separated values file for Suspects. This shows that we are using comma-separated values. Click OK. Our file is delimited, so we need to have this top option chosen and click on Next. Access has recognized we are using commas to separate, but we must also choose first row contains field names so that it understands that the first row is our headings. Because some of our names have spaces in them, we will have to let Access sort this out. Click on Next. Check each field in turn, making sure it is using the correct data type. For example, name is short text. Age, which comes up as long integer, would probably be better to be an integer. Height, which comes up as double, would be better stored as a single, which will allow it to have a decimal point part. When you've checked all the fields, click on Next. Access is trying to add its own primary key, which is exactly the same information as our field position or pos. So we should choose our own primary key and set that to be the field pos. Click on Next. At this point, we should name the table something more sensible. The name Suspects will be a useful name to use in our queries. When you've done this, click on Finish. We don't need to save these settings, so we can close. And you can then check your Suspects table by double-clicking to open.